is a small butterfly which has entered our car and it looks so beautiful. Yellow. Oh, you want to go out? So we're just heading towards the cafe. It looks so beautiful all over. It's greenery. See the roots of the tree. Lovely. It looks so lovely. So I like places like this जो nature के पास हो. Yeah. आगे ना एक छोटा सा पार्क जैसा बना हुआ है बच्चों के लिए. There are few slides, swings as well. It looks so pretty, so beautiful. This cafe is. It has a like boundary, काफी बड़ा है. इसके अंदर भी बच्चे खेल रहे हैं उधर. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are happy and safe at home. So today is Sunday and Sunday is meant to be fun day. So it's morning 9 o'clock. We are going to a cafe for breakfast. Okay, hello guys. So we are out and it's almost half an hour drive from here. Probably where it is? Gurgaon? Partho?
Sector 29.
Sector 29, Gurgaon. So as we reach there, so we'll meet you guys that time. Okay, let me wear my mask. It's compulsory to wear in the car as well. Okay.
Evening,
to the cafe. It is a very beautiful place. Just show around, Om. No. Just show around. So lovely, no? Show this. Here it is. The pink flowers look so lovely. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. बहुत ही खूबसूरत. Om is running and coming. बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है. You want to go and play there? Yeah. So that is the cafe. So there's a huge rush. So people are waiting. We are also in waiting. ओम बुला रहा मुझे. Here the children are playing. यहाँ खाने के लिए भी थोड़ा चुरमुर वगैरह है. So it's a lovely place. Very nice, beautiful. खड़े थे वहाँ पे. What is the name of the cafe?
Roots Cafe in the Park.
Cafe in the Park. It's beautiful.
Yeah, there's a long waiting list. It will take at least 20-25 minutes. Waiting time is there.
Okay.
I have put in my name, but we have to wait. If you want to have food here, we have to wait.
All right. Cafe. It's written as Roots. The name is Roots. अच्छे से visible नहीं है. So ये है. यहाँ काफ़ी भीड़ है. This is indoors as well as I can see people sitting outside also and having a breakfast outdoors. पीछे तरफ. Partho is writing from the menu card what we want to eat.
Yeah, this is new concept. You have to write down what you want to eat.
That's good. Instead of like saying, it's better you can write it down. paratha is coming, no?
Paratha is coming.
Mushroom and cheese paratha.
And also filter coffee.
फॉर्मेटिंग कर देने से ये क्या है? चीज़, मशरूम एंड व्हाट एल्स? क्या है ये पराठा? चीज़, मशरूम और कुछ था समथिंग. Arthur has almost completed his sandwich and his filter coffee as well. লোকটা কেন ঘোরা ক্যামেরাটা এক জায়গায় করে রেখে দিই. লোকটা কেউ নেই, এদিকে চারিদিকে দেখা ভিডিও, এটা ফটো না. লোকটাকে নেই, খালি মেন হচ্ছে বলে দিতে হয় কেন? This is the backyard. There are washrooms. Washroom is also very clean. This is the backyard. Looks lovely. Lovely place. Those who are staying here, you all can just try this place. It's good. ये एक अमरूद की पेड़ है, बहुत सुंदर है. So we had our breakfast. Now we are going back, just roaming around Gurgaon. So guys, we are back from the cafe and my husband and my son went to the market to buy few essential things. और फिर से बारिश शुरू हो गई है तो मैं जल्दी आके खाना बनाया. I made lunch और now I'm waiting for them to come back so that we can have lunch together. बस वही, just waiting for them so that they come back fast. और मैं यहाँ पे ये करूँगी अभी, अंडे का ऑमलेट बनाऊँगी because my husband wants to eat omelette. वैसे I made a very quick lunch. I made veg pulao and I had chicken with me, so I made chicken curry. So we'll have that for lunch, and my husband will have extra eggs because he is a bodybuilder. I call him bodybuilder. He does like exercise, is very particular about his gym and all, about his diet. So that's it. Hey guys, I just slept after having my lunch and enjoyed my afternoon siesta after a long time. So I hope you all enjoyed this Sunday vlog, and if you like, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to everyone who have already subscribed to this channel, and do make lots and lots of memories. Be happy, be safe. Bye bye.